Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we discussed about fish production, and today we discuss about beekeeping. Beekeeping, it is a practice of keeping, caring, and maintenance of honey bee on a large scale for the production of honey and bee wax, that is known as beekeeping. And beekeeping is also known as apiculture. Two products are formed by beekeeping. First one is honey and second one is bee wax. Now we start. It is a practice of keeping and caring to take care the honey bee and maintenance of honey bee on a large scale for the production of honey and bee wax. Two products are formed in beekeeping. First one is bee wax and second one is honey, and it is also known as apiculture. It is also known as apiculture. Clear? Two things are obtained by beekeeping: bee wax and honey. Honey and bee wax both are important for making things. First one is honey. Honey used as a food because it have many nutritive value. हनी में बहुत से न्यूट्रिशियस होते हैं, सो दे एक्ट एज ए फूड. एंड हनी इज आल्सो used in medicinal purpose for the preparation of medicines like cough syrup, cold syrups. In cold syrup and cough syrup, honey is used. And next is bee wax. Bee wax is also used in some industries for the preparation of cosmetic things and polishes. जो bee wax है, that are used in some industries for making polishes and cosmetic things. इनसे cosmetic things बनती हैं. Cosmetic things and polishes. Different type of polishes are formed with the help of bee wax. और honey used as a food because it have a nutritive value. Nutritions होते हैं बहुत सारे, and that are used in preparation of medicines. Preparations of medicines like in cough syrups. And beekeeping needs low investment, and farmer used as a activity for the additional income because these honey bee act as a pollinator, and honey bee pollinate the different crops like apple, pear, and different brassica. Different type of crop they pollinate, and in this way honey bee increase the crop yield. साथ में ये क्रॉप को yield को भी इंक्रीज करती है और फार्मर्स को क्रॉप्स का प्रोडक्ट भी ज़्यादा मिलता है और साथ साथ उन्हें हनी की प्रोडक्शन भी इंक्रीज हो जाती है. इज इट क्लियर बेटा? सो बी कीपिंग नीड्स इन्वेस्टमेंट, लो इन्वेस्टमेंट, ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं लगता, दैट नीड्स लो इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड फार्मर यूज्ड एज एन activity for the additional income. In this method crop yield also increases because honey bee act as a pollinator की तरह एक्ट करते हैं and honey bees pollinate the many crop species. Is it clear बेटा? Next I tell you about bee species कि different टाइप की bee species होती हैं, कौन सी होती हैं? bee species. bee species. Apis cerana indica. Apis cerana indica, that is Indian bee. Indian bee. Next one, Apis dorsata, is rock bee. Next one, Apis florii, that is little bee. Little bee. Next one, Apis mellifera, Apis mellifera, that is Italian bee. And Italian bee is domesticated on a large production of honey because it have flowing characteristics. First one is high हनी कलेक्शन कैपेसिटी, इनकी कलेक्शन हनी कलेक्शन करने की कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा होती है एंड दे स्टिंग लेस, उनका जो स्टिंग होता है, डंग होता है, दैट इज़ वेरी लेस एंड they breed very well, they reproduce very fast, they breed very well and they stay in a hives of honey bee for a long period. ज़्यादा टाइम तक अपने hives के अंदर ये safe रहती है, stay रहती है और they breed very well. So we use Italian bee, Apis mellifera. Italian bee is used for the production of honey. Is it clear beta? Now Italian bee is domesticated on a large scale for honey production, because of its flying characteristics. First one is high honey कलेक्शन कैपेसिटी, हनी कलेक्शन करने की कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा होती है इनकी. सो वी यूज़ इटालियन बी, हाई हनी कलेक्शन कैपेसिटी. Second one, they sting less. they sting less, somewhat less. They sting less या somewhat less, we write in both way. They sting less. Third, they reproduce fast. They reproduce fast. Next one, they stay in the beehives for long period and they breed very well for long period. Is it clear beta? So we use the Italian bee for the production of honey because high honey collection capacity, they sting somewhat less. Next one, they reproduce very fast and they stay in the beehives for the long period and they breed very well. Is it clear? Next one, I tell you about apiaries. What do you mean by apiaries? Apiaries is known as bee farm. Bee farm. Bee farm, they are the places where we rearing the honey on a large scale for the production of honey. वो प्लेसेस जहाँ पे हनी बी कीपिंग करते हैं उन प्लेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एपियरीज एंड बी कीपिंग. क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? बी कीपिंग. दे आर द प्लेसेस where bees are raised commercially for the production of honey. For the production of honey. उन्हीं को हम बोलते हैं बी फार्म एंड एपियरीज. एक ऐसा प्लेस जहाँ पे बीज को मेंटेन किया जाता है, केयरिंग की जाती है कमर्शियली फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ हनी. इज इट क्लियर बेटा? नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज पास्टरेज. बेटा पास्टरेज का क्या मतलब होता है कि हनी बी है वो क्या करती है? नेक्टर कलेक्ट करती है. डिफरेंट फ्लावर से नेक्टर पोलन ग्रेन को कलेक्ट करके दैट नेक्टर एंड पोलन ग्रेन दैट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ हनी. पोलन ग्रेन की हेल्प से, नेक्टर की हेल्प से वो हनी की प्रोडक्शन करते हैं और नेक्टर और पोलन ग्रेन ही डिसाइड करते हैं कि नेक्टर की क्वालिटी कैसी है और क्वांटिटी कैसी है. और नेक्टर किस टाइप का है वो किस पे डिपेंड करता है? टाइप ऑफ फ्लावर पे. जिस टाइप का फ्लावर होगा उसी टाइप का नेक्टर कलेक्ट करेंगे हनी बीज और वैसी ही क्वालिटी का किसकी फॉर्मेशन होगी? बी वैक्स की और हनी की. इज इट क्लियर बेटा? सो पास्टरेज क्या होता है? इट इज़ द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ फ्लावर for nectar and pollen grains. Pasturage, it is availability of the flower for nectar and pollen grain. It is important for the production of honey it is very important for the production of honey, and it is also important in beekeeping because it also decide the quantity and quality of honey, and it determines pasturage, determines quantity and quality of honey. Is it clear, beta? Now your chapter is completed. Some important question of this chapter: cropping patterns. Cropping patterns are important. Mixed cropping, intercropping, and crop rotation. And second important question is composed fish culture. Composed fish culture is very important. Its advantages, disadvantages, and how we to overcome the problem of composed fish culture. And another hybridization. What do you mean by hybridization and types of hybridization? Next one is advantages of manure over fertilizers. Yeah, next question is advantages of fertilizer over manure. Is it clear, beta? These are very important question of this chapter. Thanks.